Good morning, dear students. Today I will teach chapter 9. Name of the chapter 9 is a reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animals. And today I will start with the sexual reproduction in humans. Sexual reproduction in humans. Sexual reproduction in humans. Sexual reproduction in humans. Male reproductive organs. In this heading, first one is the male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs, it consists of a pair of testes, and two sperm ducts, and the penis. So, male reproductive organs consist of pair of testes, two sperm ducts and penis. And a pair of testes in singular testes is the scrotal sac produces male gametes. Testis produces male gametes, and two sperm ducts through which sperm leave the testis and reach penis. Two sperm ducts, through two sperm ducts, sperm leave the testis and it reaches to the penis. And penis, it injects the sperm inside the body of the female. So this is the male reproductive organs. A pair of testes, two sperm ducts and penis. I will draw the diagram of reproductive organs, male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs. you can see this is the sperm duct. Sperm duct. This is the sperm duct, and this is penis. And drainage duct. This is the drainage duct, and this is the testis. This is the male reproductive organs: drainage duct, sperm duct, and this is the penis. And this is the reproductive organs of male. Now come to the female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs. Organs of the female reproductive system include a pair of ovaries. Pair of ovaries. Pair of ovaries. Then oviduct or fallopian tube. Second one, oviduct or fallopian. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct or fallopian tubes. Uterus. Vagina. This is the female reproductive organs. Pair of ovaries, oviduct or fallopian tube, uterus, vagina. These are the female reproductive organs. And a pair of ovaries produces eggs. Pair of ovaries produces eggs, and it about 20 micron in diameter, and oviducts or fallopian tube through which eggs travel. Oviducts through which eggs travel, which is released from the ovaries, and sperm and ovum meet here. In the oviducts, sperms and ovum meet here, and fertilization takes place in the fallopian. Uterus, also known as womb. Development of fertilized egg occurs here. In the uterus, development of fertilized eggs occur here. And vagina, which opens to the outside through an opening. So this is the female reproductive organs. Pair of ovaries, oviducts or fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. So diagram given on page number 102, and you can see the male produces million of sperms. The male produces million of sperms in his testis each day. Each day male produces million of sperms, and a sperm is a single celled male gamete. I will draw the diagram of the sperm. Sperm is the This is the head. This is the middle piece. This is the tail. So this is the sperm, and the male produces million of sperms in his testes each day, and a sperm, this is the sperm, which is single celled male gamete with 3 parts: head, middle piece and tail. And the sperm are mobile. The sperms are mobile, means it motile, and the female produces ova or eggs. Female produces ova or eggs in her ovaries. Each ovum is a rounded structure of the size of a pin's head, and it is many times larger than a sperm. Ovum is the larger than the sperm. This is the ovum. This is the ovum, and it is larger than the sperm. It is larger than the sperm, and each ovum is a rounded structure of the size of a pin's head, and it is many times larger than a sperm. One ovum or egg cell is released from one of the ovaries into the oviduct approximately every 28 days. Like the sperm, and egg is also a single cell. Egg is also a single cell. Now come to the fertilization process. What is the fertilization process? The fusion of egg with the sperm is called the fertilization. What is the fertilization? Fusion of egg with the sperm is called fertilization, and fertilization is internal. It is inside the female body and takes place inside the female's body in the oviducts, and during this process the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. Then as a result, the fertilized egg, this fertilized egg is called the zygote, is formed, and zygote is the beginning of a new individual. In the fertilization process, male and female sperm and ova fertilized, and the formation of zygote takes place, and then zygote is the beginning of a new individual. Zygote is the beginning of a new individual. So till here you will take a revision, and tomorrow I will tell development of embryo, how development of embryo takes place in the uterus. So till here you will take revision.